want to be a what when you grow up?
A digger man, and a ninja turtle digger man.
You want to be a Ninja Turtle digger man?
Mhm.
You want to ride on digger trucks?
No. I want a digger, a yellow one.
A green digger truck?
Mhm.
Oh.
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
That's so much fun.
What would you do as a digger man?
Put a lever.
Pull the lever?
Mhm.
Oh. Would you pull it up high or down low?
Up high. And I'll dig some scissors.
And it'll dig some what?
Scissors.
Some scissor. It'll dig some scissors?
Mm.
Oh.
I'm going to dig.
You think you'll find Mama some diamonds when you dig?
No, a moon.
You're gonna find me a moon?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I will be dirty.
You're gonna be dirty.
It's going to be dirty.
It's gonna be dirty in that digger truck.
It's going to be digging that. Can dig a fuck. Can dig a fuck. Name the turtle.
Alright, so it's 3.5.
Yeah.
At 3.5, you want to be a Ninja Turtle digger truck man.
Mhm.
Are you sure?
This is the night.
It is a knife. Mama loves the knife.
This is Mike the night.
Mike the Knight.
Mhm.
Yup.
Yeah, I make the night, baby. I got one.
Bennett. Bennett. One more thing, Bennett. One more thing. I love you. I love you.
I love you, baby, but yeah.